TNT stand shopping trip. This is a mega one at Walmart.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
You looking for anything in particular?
I have some coupons of 50% off an assortment.
Ooh.
Do you guys take those coupons?
I
It's a TNT one.
don't know. I'll have to look at it, and then I can call the guy who runs it. But
And then I also have a $10 off of 50 coupon too.
okay. Yeah, we have a thing on here for the coupon. Yeah, if you show me the coupon, I should be able to see if I can figure it out.
All right. I'll be right back.
No worries. Call you back.
They do take the coupons.
Okay.
I might need you to do a purchase as well because
Okay.
I got 2 of these coupons.
Okay.
It was this one right here.
TNT.
Yeah, I found it on their website.
50% off. Let me. What it says. My eyes are so bad. Hold on. I think I can just call them too. Small print's really. It says it's like the dates are good on it. It's what assorted. It's going to be an assortment of some sort. Okay.
So
All right, I didn't talk to him, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it.
It can
So-
work?
Yeah.
Which assortment do you recommend? Like, I'm looking for like some aerials.
Let's see.
Some like in the $40 range. somewhere around there.
$40. Let's see here. This independent tray has 6 specialty items, 8 fountains, and 9 multi-aerials. You know what the fountains are?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's that one. That one's $44.99. We have this one, but I think this one's all fountains.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool.
Yeah, that one's all fountains. There's the 40. Yeah, I think this is. Where's that? I think this one's the only one we have around the $40.
All right. Do you need an ID?
You're with your mom, right?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I think I'll take one of those so far. And then one thing of the TNT poppets, right there. Does this stand right here have the same stuff as that one?
Yeah, pretty much. It might have like one or two different things, but it has like the same assorted ones and stuff like that. And this one's buy one get two free. So.
Okay. Is that guard duty cake any good?
Ooh, yeah, this one's cool. It's got 12 shots.
Is that on like an aerial that shoots kind of like festival balls and like breaks like that?
No, those like the mortar shell kind of are going to be louder and bigger. But these you just light it once and it shoots up 12 shots in a row. So these won't be as loud as like those mortars or something would be. If you want something louder, these festival balls.
Yeah, I've tried those a long time ago and they were pretty good.
Yeah. So that's a good deal right there.
Yeah, I think I might take a guard duty cake.
Ooh. All right.
They have a lot of stuff. I'm looking around. I'm trying to get the good stuff.
We have like bottle rockets too. 2 for $10. Those if you want something that'll shoot up a little bit. But
what are like your individual fountains or like novelty items?
So these are like all the novelty type of items. We don't have any like individual fountains. We just have like the pack of them. Yeah. Right here. And this has 27 fountains in it.
Yeah, because I remember like the Cool Cat and Cool Breeze ones.
Yeah.
That they used to have. Yeah, those are pretty good.
We might get those in because we're still getting stuff in, so.
We might have to come back next week then.
Okay. You mean this when we come here Friday? Whatever bit me is killing me.
This right here is
We're
what
on the
I'm
beach
getting.
and I'm like, you know how like,
sand fleas.
oh gosh, I'm dying.
Oh no.
I was talking to my sister. I'm like, she's like, what are you doing? I'm like, Blake's looking at fireworks. I'm sitting here itching.
It's the worst.
I know. I know, right? Crazy. Oh, yeah. I'm like, I just mauled my legs.
Some of these.
All right. Yeah, my sister-in-law was like, let's have a picnic on the beach for Father's Day. I'm like, who wants to eat a charcuterie board on the beach?
I know.
It sounds miserable to me. Like, I'm not literally for me to
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy. Ask them how much I'm at right now.
Do you know how much? Let's see here. So what is he? This is what he wants half price.
Could I combine the coupons because I have a 10 off 50 as well?
Wait a minute, Blake. Wait a minute. Hold on. We do the. Let's see.
Like, do that one separately.
How much is this one?
That one's gonna be like $21 because it's half off of the assortment. 50%. That's a pretty good deal.
And this you're getting too?
Yeah, that's a good one.
How much is this?
That one is on sale
wanna do it
for
separate?
$13.
He wanted to see, right,
Well,
how much
where
it
he-
was right
Oh,
now,
okay.
right? Just scanning it. All right,
So that's,
so you're at 64.49.
and
with
then
all
you
of
would
this.
take 10. How much is this originally?
That one is 44.99.
So it would be 22 off of it.
Yeah.
So 22 off of the 60 if it were, like you said, to do it like in
Yeah.
my head, you know, just so I
Yeah,
could
so
get the
it'd
dollar
be-
amount, but we still could do it
It would
separate.
be 42.
So right
Right,
now
if
you're
you
at like
change.
42,
Yeah.
but you cannot use the $10 coupon because they have to do this separate.
All right, how about we go with this for now, and we can always come back like next week.
Sure, yeah, right.
I'm gonna have coupons.
So
Let me go and
this
get
would
my
be
money.
$44, Blake.
I know. Let me go and get my money.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Do they take Visa? Do they take Visa cards?
They're $1, yeah.
Do you need some of these or no?
No, I got a ton.
Okay.
I got a ton.
No, they're called. Did they have any of those cone things?
Not at this one.
Okay.
The Kong ones aren't by TNT. They're like
Okay.
by World Class or something.
Is it cash or card?
Well,
Visa.
he's got a Visa.
I might also
maybe
pay
for
some with
this.
cash if that's not enough.
So should I just do that one and mix and match 50% off since they're both 50% off,
Oh,
right?
can you show it?
Do that and save. Yeah, that worked great. And then we'll just keep this in the cash.
Oh, so you could do it all together?
I think so. Let's see here. Right? Because it just took it off
Because-
of that. Right? Yeah. Cool. Let's see.
Keep looking because I don't want to mess you guys up.
Sweet, it will. So if you just
So if
do the individual
so he would
item-
be at 44. So if he did like, what do you have a coupon if you could get it all?
I got 50 off any TNT assortment.
That's what you got, and then you
Yep.
said you have $10 off of 50.
Yeah, that one's
If
in
he-
the car.
Can he do that if he buys more to get to 50?
do the do two coupons at once.
Can you do that?
Or like 2 separate transactions.
We can. Yeah.
No, 2 separate transactions won't make it 50, honey.
Oh yeah.
You know?
So he has another 10% off one.
No, he has a $10 off of 50.
Yeah, $10. Spend 50, get $10 off.
You might have to put each one and do 10% off.
Well, it would.
And I could buy like another like little
Wait,
thing.
hold on.
So maybe just
It would be. That would be 10% off. Would be $5 off of 50, and not 10.
No, it's not 10%.
Like, I know that.
Okay.
Go to the car and get it just in case.
All right.
So if he wants to get more.
$30.40.
Yep.
Like,
Oh,
Oh wait, no, it's at 42.31. Sorry.
42.
Yeah, 42.31.
I was like, something
Sorry.
went wrong. I think what she said was going to happen must have happened.
Are we gonna buy more?
Okay.
So
hold
yeah,
on.
if you want to get, if you want.
Wait,
you're at-
so if you're at 4, he's at 42 something.
Yeah, 42.
So if you buy something for like
For, like, the whole
$8, you get $10. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Minus
if you want to
five.
get something else.
Yeah.
How much are those jumbo sparklers?
I believe these are.
You can buy those for me.
They're usually.
I had to scan those to remember
Are they
the
5?
price.
They.
Yeah,
They're 9 now.
Oh no,
Yeah,
we'll get them
raised
somewhere
the,
else. Like they're
Yeah.
$5 every.
We have
Okay.
these like we have smoke bombs and like smoke grenades.
Okay, you can spend.
I already picked up some
Think
of those.
about
I need like
$8.
8 bucks.
Hold on.
We have these smoke grenades
2 for $10?
6 right there. We have these are buy one get one free. They're smoke bombs and they shoot off different colors.
Well, the thing is, like, my mom doesn't really like.
You don't
those.
you don't have any of those
Cause you
ladybug
don't like me being
things, do you?
stinky after I leave launching
Let's see.
the fireworks.
We have if you want something loud, like we have all those TNT like things. You like light them once.
Firecrackers.
Yeah.
Thing is, like, we're gonna be on the island while we're doing the show. That's the only issue.
So you want something that's not.
Yeah,
Well-
like, you aren't supposed
Well,
to do
you could
fireworks
do
on the
different.
island.
You know,
but,
it doesn't
like,
mean you're
if you
only
have,
gonna do it there.
Like, if you have property to do them on, you can.
Okay,
So,
like. Can you tell I'm just done?
You're gonna go home and start relaxing in here.
I know.
Blah, 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 blah. I'm like,
I
no.
know, right?
what are these little magic whip things right here?
I actually don't know what those are. I think you just light them and they like whip around, kind of like a sparkler a little bit.
Want to try some of these? They're called magic whips.
They're over here.
Oh, they're over there.
Yeah.
We have like this. This is like a cake too. This is it's $18.99. It's got 6 shots in it.
6 shots.
Let's see. Okay.
Man, $8 is a little hard. Usually it's not this hard.
Okay.
The guard duties are $13.99 if you want.
Let's see, Blake.
I mean, like, you get
What's
a good
this?
amount of shots. for
What's
what you're
this,
paying.
Blake? What's that? A string of fireworks?
No,
No.
that.
Oh.
I like those okay, but sometimes they're a little bit
Alright.
dangerous.
Okay.
No, how about that Centennial? It's 16, but I think that's a really good cake.
This right here?
Yeah, wasn't that one from the 100th year anniversary?
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's got
Well,
it's got 12
Like,
shots
you have
in it.
enough. That would be $16. You know what? Even though those are.
Because, I mean, that's a good cake. I've seen that one on YouTube.
Well, Blake, why don't you just get, even though those fire things are $9, it's like getting them free because if you don't use the $10 off. You want to do that?
Oh, how about get a smoke grenade?
What's that?
Smoke grenade?
Wait, it just smokes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you pull it.
Like,
It's
How
kind
about-
of cool, though.
well, if you
They
like
have
those, if
The
you like
TNT
those,
crackling balls.
you like
And
those
they have
crackling
snakes.
balls?
We have like poppets over here that are a little more powerful than like regular poppets.
Or you can do that. By the time
Snappers
you get
right
those
here.
free by the time you buy them and then use the coupon.
Oh, red snappers.
Those are going to be like louder than your regular poppets. They sound like a.
So what are we doing? $8?
Yeah.
That's
So
what I
why don't
said.
you buy those for $9 and it's like getting them free when you use that coupon.
Alright, one thing that the jumbo
But
sparkler-
yeah, like I'm like, let's just go with that then. I'm telling them by the time you use the $10, you get it back. Alright. Alright, so that
So-
should be
There we go. And then the coupon. So let's see. I think it's because of like if you're on like sale or something.
Oh,
like buy
okay.
one get one, it like takes it off. I thought there was, you know what? I'm just gonna do.
$10 off. It should be right out.